Based on the viral video which has become viral on the Facebook and on the newsprint media, and based on the direction of Assistant Controller Sri Arun Panchwadkar, Package Commodities, we visited to the warehouse Godown of Salset Gas Agency, and we inspected around 200 cylinders, commercial as well as domestic. After checking out the weight, we found 13 domestic cylinder and 5 commercial cylinder which were short and which were excess also. Out of 13 domestic cylinder, 10 were short and 3 were excess. Among 3, 1 was giving 3 kilo extra. And in commercial, we have found 5 cylinder, out of which 1 is excess, that is 3 kilo, and 4 are short.
So what will be the future move, the next procedures?
For course of action is we have taken 18 gas cylinder in our custody, and we will be seeking reply from the company, and whatever this is the action will be taken as per the Legal Metrology Act and rules in force.
This raid will continue on other...
This raid will continue throughout. Basically it is just started. Our routine inspection is going on. Now we will take a thorough inspection throughout Goa. 2 assistant controller along with 6 inspectors and 5 staffs.
What do you as the dealer have to say when it comes to providing cylinder service to consumers?
So we are weighing every morning. This is my vehicle. We weigh about random checks of 10% at delivery point with the customer. Also we weigh the cylinder. If it is less, then we take back the cylinder and we send it to the company. The company does their verifications and checkups, and either they give a new cylinder for the customer back or they give the money component back to me. So we have been following this system for 20 years. Suddenly, day before yesterday, there were 3 underweight cylinders which are considered to be defective because they are underweight. So we have to take them back. However, my vehicle was stopped. My boys' keys of the vehicle were taken away from him. And I had to go there to the police to get my keys back. I explained to all of them, okay, this is an underweight problem. We will take it back. And immediately from the Godown, the vehicle came and returned the cylinders to the customer. We weighed it again. We told the customer, sorry, that was defective. Good, you told us. And we changed it. That was all. Now today there have been some doubts, I think, in people's minds. That is why we are doing the full checkup. Told the customer, sorry, that was defective. Good, you told us. And we changed it. That was all. Now today there have been some doubts, I think, in people's minds. That is why we are doing the full checkup. We are very happy that the Department of Metrology has come, and they are also checking each and every cylinder. So we are here to give the correct weight. Every day he is one of my oldest workers. We are measuring, we are weighing, we are taking trouble. But still, if something is going wrong, where it is going wrong, I would like to investigate.
Have they found anything, legal metrology? Now they are checking, you know.
Yeah, they have found some extra weight, which is very funny also. And a few they have found 1 kg less, 1.2 kg less. So it could be sometimes the metal also of the cylinder could be less, you know. See, these cylinders are very, very old. Maybe there's some problem there, but I don't think the gas is less, personally. Because a customer uses a cylinder, say, in 1 month. It gets over in 21 days. He knows his cycle. When it gets over, he comes for new cylinder. So I don't think it's actually the less gas. But maybe there is some issues, which I am going to be putting CCTV cameras in all my vehicles to stop any malpractice.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.